Hello everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Got a package in the mail, something I was not expecting. Oh, look at that. I forgot about this. This is a flashlight from Tac9er, a company I've dealt with in the past, which, by the way, I've got to get the review of their multifunction flashlight up online. Which, by the way, I've got to get the review of their multifunction survival shovel up online. I had some software issues on my computer for a while there, and I had to redo some clips, but the Tac9er service is incredible. So we'll get to that on a separate video. So, looks like here we've got a little package with some, what do we got? There's a battery. Oh, they got their own private label. Cool. Tac9er. 2600 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt. ICR, I think that's the high capacity battery included, and there is a USB charging cable in the box, and we've got a hefty looking flashlight here. Make sure there's nothing else. It feels sort of heavy. It's just a heavy box. There's a Tac9er flashlight. Got your defensive front here. On off switch on the back. It's going to be interesting, the light form this puts out. Very, very round dome lens. Let me see which way. There it is. The back unscrews. Oh, this one's different. Look at that. There's another thing there. Hopefully there's some charge in there. I'd like to see what this looks like. So there's your battery compartment. Very finely machined aluminum. There's a good pressure on that spring too, so that's not going to have any problem with coming loose on you. Oh, there we go. There was some charge in the battery. Let's see. I'm going to have to check the instructions and see what we got going on here, so we'll be back in a minute. So, we have a range of 350 meters with the Tac9er flashlight. It's got a good heft to it too, a good feel in the hand for defensive movements there. We've got IP44 waterproof rating and USB rechargeable. So where's our charging port? It must be on, is that on a battery? Oh, unique. I wondered what that interesting looking thing was. There's your charging port. So these guys put it inside your tail cap to ensure that there's nothing to wear out and no water can get in. That is unique. That's something I haven't seen before. So that's why there's the second thing. Well, that's a different feature I've never seen before. That's sort of cool. So you take off the tail cap, and then you can charge your flashlight with a USB cord. That's cool. So we have a Cree XML2 U3 LED with 900 lumens. Now we've got different functions on this. We've got full, medium, low, strobe, and SOS mode. So turn it on, and we can change through the modes by soft pressing the end button. It's hard to show in this room, so there's SOS. There's full, medium, low, strobe, SOS, and back to full. So there's your ranges. Well, we're going to take this out and put it through the full field test and see what this thing can handle. We'll take it out. It's currently a wintry mess out there, so we'll be trying this out in some freezing water and frozen temperatures. It says operating temperature from 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. So we are certainly seeing some negative temperatures out there recently, so I'll put it through its temperature range for sure, at least on the low end. We can certainly work that on the low end. Comes with a 1-year warranty, which is good. That's a very good thing. Shows that they stand behind their product. Alright guys, stay tuned for the full field test and reveal of the Tac9er tactical flashlight, and I'll put the link down below in the video description and in the comments, so you can go ahead and grab one yourself right away. There's our full package right there. Comes with a lanyard attached already. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later.